Are we on? Can I get a signal? Check, check. One, two,
I
three,
think it's
check.
saying live.
Check, check.
Just drop in a message once it goes live.
Okay. Yes, started. Okay, live. Hi, guys. We are back. This is Megha B. Pitwa, a spiritual advisor, a REDBT therapist, and tarot card reader, graphologist, numerologist, plus your host for the day and for the coming sessions. So, as you know, we have been doing very good sessions and people have been appreciating us. Like the first session, which we started on 1st July, was about lockdown versus Wonder Woman's. And it was really appreciated. And it was a very natural and a session where people have really vented out what they have gone through the COVID period. We had some tragedies also at this time. People who were there as with us as guests have lost their loved ones, and it was a very tragic moment. So COVID has, this period has been very sad for me personally also, that I also lost a friend, not because of COVID, but it was heart attack. But life goes on, and I'm here with you guys. We also had a session, parents versus, you know, school, the teachers, or you can say the school, the difficulties which parents were facing because school were charging fees, a heavy fees with us. So we had a session where there also we had good panelists, people who were there with us who had spoken about the situations and which we were requesting the government to change. But this session, which we have, the third session, we have with a very nice, sweet little lady, is Harsha. Okay. Now, our topic is relationship during COVID period. If I talk about relationships, relationships have been, ups and downs for everybody, and normally but COVID ke time pe there is a lot of changes in an individual. If I see myself, if like today I am around my husband, my kids, and there is different kind of bonding which we are creating. It can be because of the fear, the insecurities. There are relationships where there are people who have got time to realize and think about what exactly they want to do in life, you know. So I would, when I counsel my people, I tell them ki it's time to strategize what exactly you want to do in life, strategize what are the next steps, because COVID is not going to last for long. I'll say this year is a challenging year, 2020, but we have so many years, so many oh, so much of time which is there with us. So this time we should actually spend in introspecting ourselves, understanding where we are going wrong or what we would have done, what we would have learned to become a better person. And that's how we came to understand that relationships are playing a major role in COVID. So I have seen relationship mending and breaking both. So today we have Harsha ji. She is a recruiter, a counselor, career counselor. Plus, she has also worked with banking and finance industry. And I would like to welcome her as a guest, Harsha. And it is okay. Let your child be natural. We just don't want you should, get conscious. It is okay because you are a mom. You're an independent mom. It is okay. This is like I have kids. Na, they also come up. So it is okay. It should not be it should not be a problem. Let him be there. You talk. I would like you to give your introduction and your journey towards, because of this COVID, what have you realized and how, which kind of relationship you have entered into in this period?
So hi everybody. As she rightly introduced me, I have been a banker in the past. I moved to the recruitment side of business. I largely counsel people across senior positions for their career from a longer term perspective, largely in the financial world. Yes, I'm a mother, pretty much a single mother now. And what COVID has largely made me realize is I think there are a lot of things that we tend to hold on to in our daily routine lives when we don't really have time to sit back and think what we really, really want. COVID has put us in a position where we don't have an option but to look within, but to look at what is the larger picture and where are we in the midst of that, and does it even align with what I really want to be or where I really want to be. And I think for me, that experience has been very intense. Calls that I couldn't take in my life for last 3 years, I've taken that over the first month of COVID. And when we're talking about relationships, I think the biggest impact has been on my marriage. I have officially moved out of my marriage. Of course, the formalities are still ongoing, but to realize that is this something that you really want? Is this something that really drives you? Is this something that is mutually beneficial? Sometimes we just sleep over it. I don't think we even think through where we're going with this. I think that is what COVID did to me. That's the kind of time, COVID gave me to kind of really go deep within and build the courage to take that step, which I think for the longest time I didn't have. Things like, you have to.
So basically, this has been a moment where you have been thinking a lot that there was something which was missing and something which you were struggling with, which you could open up because of COVID, because you gave time to yourself, right?
I think I could confront it and accept it.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Yes, that is very important. Confronting and acceptance is very important, that whatever you're going through and whatever you have been going through and you don't accept due to other reasons, external factors, internal factors, both, because it is an emotional decision. It is a very, though it has to be practical, but under to emotions apne dabe hue hai. And considering the child with you, it becomes more challenging. Then social pressure which you must be having. I hope you had a family support with you.
So to start off with social pressure, I think I have been one of those very unconventional people who have never succumbed to any kind of social pressure in life. So that was least bit of my problems ever.
Hats off.
Yeah, I think that's literally something that should not matter to anybody, because no one is really going to come when you are in misery. No, I mean, how many people really come up to you except your close friends and maybe few people from your family? They matter, and if they know that this is in your interest, then obviously they will stand by you any which case, right?
True.
And as far as family is concerned, I think my dad has always, and since I was a child, so I lost my mom at a young age. So my dad has been with me mostly throughout my larger growing up years. And he has always given me that freedom to choose what I want to do with my life. So whether it is wrong, right, good, bad, they've been my decisions. And I have no one but me to go back to. And I have never regretted any of my decisions. So neither, I mean, even my marriage, I don't think I have any regrets about.
Superb.
Yeah.
So, Harsha, we are trying to understand, because this is not you and me. We have people who are watching us. I really want you to inspire people who are in this challenging situation. They are confused and they don't they don't get answers. So how was your journey? How positive you have taken this negative situation, I will say, because it is a challenge which you have बोलते ना कि ऐसे टाइम में ऐसा सोचना, it's like and what about your financial independence? How have, because हमारा ये शो बना है कुछ कहिए और हम कुछ सुनेंगे. So basically it's heart out what exactly you go through, and let people know कि they should not be afraid of the situations, because seriously अगर हमारे पेट में दर्द है तो दवाई हमें ही खानी है. Nobody will eat our medicine. So I feel you have if you have taken this decision, it must have been a difficult one, but you must have taken a lot of precautions about it. And सारे बोलते हैं ना, ups, downs, pros, cons देखने के बाद ही Harsha must have been in this place now, smiling here, and the child is also enjoying behind.
Yeah. So I think a lot of challenges that anybody in my place would face. One of the biggest ones is, and you would have heard this very often, that I'm staying put because of my son or my daughter. I think it was my situation also till a while back, till I realized that staying put may actually put my son into more difficult situations that he may have to encounter
Mhm.
due to the friction, or when two people don't get along, there is an element of friction, and that's not really conducive for him.
Okay.
Second thing I realized was, so definitely my son was then not a reason for me to stay put. He was a reason for me to be stronger and be able to give him a very healthy environment.
True.
Second was the fact that financial independence, yes, I think one of the reasons that I had to stretch for a long time to even build myself to take this decision was to become financially independent, right? And which I am today. So I'm able to take care of everything that my son needs today. Of course, I would also want to highlight that one thing we tend to miss out very largely is, when two people separate, we assume that divorces are supposed to be ugly, disturbing, constant fights. I think when two people are matured and they understand that for certain reasons, two of y'all cannot be together in a romantic relationship, you can do it with respect and grace as well. I really think my husband is a brilliant father to my son. He does a lot for my son, which I don't see a lot of fathers doing today. So I definitely give him credit, and I acknowledge the fact that he is a good father, and he needs to be in my son's life as much as I need to be. And
Superb.
that is something
Superb.
he also acknowledges in terms of my presence in my son's life. So I think that's where we can do this together, and that's where you see my son smiling and not going through the trauma that most of the kids go through in these
Exactly.
times, right? I think
Exactly.
that is very, very, very important, and I think that is where for me it's been a success that we could do it beautifully.
So it's like smooth transition which happened in your life, if I
Yes.
will sum it up. So matlab, I would like to say I have seen cases, I have handled a lot of cases, Harsha, where the divorce have been like a misery, वाट लग जाना वाला वर्ड बोलते हैं ना, वाट लगा के रखते हैं. There are husbands, sorry to use this word, but I want to be natural, I don't want to just be polished about it, but seriously there are husbands जिन्होंने ना literally वो बोलते हैं कुछ भी कर ले डिवोर्स तो दूंगा नहीं, ठीक है, और जीने भी नहीं दूंगा. ऐसे बहुत सारे सिचुएशंस हैं जहां मैंने देखा है, अरे उनके लिए इट इज वेरी सिंपल कि तुम्हें जो करना है कर लो. एंड जो वुमेन्स होते हैं, आप जैसे देर आर एक्सेप्शंस लाइक यू, बट जब अगर देखें देर आर मेनी वुमेन्स जो फिनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होती हैं, वो डर में रहती हैं, ना उनको फैमिली सपोर्ट मिलता है, ना
Correct.
वो उनके अंदर एक फियर रहता है, यार लोग क्या सोचेंगे, अरे लोग क्या
हाँ.
सोचेंगे, तो एक्चुअली लोग ही सोचते रहेंगे और आप भुगतते रहोगे.
Correct.
Isn't it? जैसा कि स्मूथ ट्रांजिशन आपके और आपके हस्बैंड के बीच में हुआ, बिकॉज यू हैव रिस्पेक्टेड हिम एज अ फादर. ओके, कि आप उन्होंने अपना रोल बहुत अच्छे से एज अ फादर प्ले किया है. दैट इज द रीजन हर्षा हैज ऑल्सो बीन अ नाइस मदर एंड बैलेंस्ड इट आउट. बट ऐसे हर रिलेशनशिप स्मूथली नहीं एग्जिट होते हैं.
I think
And
one thing that is very, very important, and I think a lot of women today have taken a note of it and are doing something about it, is independence. Financial
True.
independence बहुत critical है. आप
बिल्कुल.
अगर अपने आप को संभाल नहीं सकते, तो you're not right now equipped to take care of a child single-handedly. Then you are
Very
dependent
true.
on what your parents will say, what family, extended family will say, what people will say, because then all those factors start playing in your mind. So I think
Right.
everybody, whether man or a woman, has to be financially independent. That is a very, very, very critical thing. Secondly, I think in the state of mind that you are in, I think it's very important to keep the negativity aside, because it's very easy to get drawn into that negativity, the fights, the arguments, the discomfort that you're going through in your marriage, and blame the other person. I don't think any marriage today till date has broken because of one person. I think two people are not meant to be together for various reasons, and
True.
hence it's fallen apart. And it's very important to acknowledge that. That is when you acknowledge that, you will not feel negative towards the other person, and which is why today I don't feel negativity towards my husband, neither does he feel that towards me. And what got me to this thought process was, I think I had a very close brush with spirituality through this COVID situation, right?
Mhm.
It
Very good.
and which is where I largely got to really look within. Where did it and how did it happen? So obviously, when I decided to take this step, it was disturbing. It was a difficult step. I used to have days when I used to even cry, right? But I knew, and what I did very regularly was I used to meditate a lot. Every
Very
night,
nice.
an hour,
Very
hour and a
nice.
half, before sleeping in the day. I took a few
Okay.
days off to myself and I spent
Okay.
a lot of time meditating. That
Mm.
is when I realized that, you know, everything that we're seeking is very superficial in nature. You know, we are looking for happiness, that this person will give me happiness, that person will give me happiness, and then they don't give you, and you're broken down.
Correct.
So I
Correct.
realized that now I have to be the source of my happiness, because if I'm not happy, I cannot keep my son happy.
Very true.
And that is the role spirituality played in my life, to bring me to this balanced situation where I could handle this whole situation far better than what I would have otherwise. It would have been a total chaos, like the cases you've mentioned eventually, because
Yes. Yes.
it's a teamwork, right? Even if you're exiting peacefully, it has to be done together in teamwork. And I'm sure at some level, even my husband has gone through a lot of realizations to be able to complement the passiveness that I'm showing towards this entire piece. So I think that is where uh, spirituality, understanding yourself, understanding that people cannot be responsible for your happiness, sorrow, good times. You have to be responsible for yourself, be it financially, emotionally. Yes,
Mm.
people can add on to it. They cannot be the
Correct.
reason or the basis for it.
Very true. Very true. Very rightly said, Harsha.
Yeah.
I had done one session on this topic. If you'll see, I have said about it basically that when a child, a girl, I am thoda woman centric to ho jati hu main. When a girl is born na, to when we say na कि लड़की पढ़ाओ and देश बचाओ and all, so
Hmm.
I say when a girl एक marriage की state पे पहुंचती है, तो उससे पहले ना after the education the first thing what a girl should do, this is my saying, it's my words, you know, तो उसको ना सबसे पहले once the girl starts earning,
Hmm.
she should start you know, saving the money and buy a house of her own. First thing which I would love to you know, recommend females, that they should be so independent, they should uh, get all the things of their own. So
Hmm.
एक डिपेंडेंसी फैक्टर तो पहले से ही खत्म हो गया.
Hmm.
उसके बाद अगर बंदा मैरिज शादी करना चाहता है, बिकॉज टुडे आई फील मैरिज इज लाइक नो कंपल्शन. आजकल के
Yeah.
बच्चे बहुत अच्छे से रियलाइज कर चुके हैं कि शादी इज नॉट important, and that is how live in and other relationships are coming, which I will not you know, tag somewhere, but I would
Hmm.
like to say मैरिज का जो बंधन है ना, या तो म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे अच्छे से चले, वरना डिसीजन शुड बी टेकन ऑन द राइट टाइम so that things don't get dirty. And that's where you have played a very important role in your life. I feel जितनी भी women यहाँ देख रहे हैं, if they are struggling in their marriage, what message would you like to tell them? What
I
message would you
think,
like to give them?
you know, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl, but move. Start somewhere.
Superb.
Start
Superb.
at some point. It will grow eventually. It took me 3 years to get here where I could be independent enough to take care of my son. I
So how
think
long you're married? I'm sorry to interrupt. It's been
over
how
6 years.
long? Okay, it's been 6 years you've married, and
Yeah.
3 year. Was it a love marriage, Harsha?
Yes, it was a love marriage.
Okay, okay. And in these
So,
3 years, yes, tell
Mhm.
me. You tell me. You tell me.
Yeah, no, carry on. Ask me. I will cover that later.
I wanted to understand, how did you realize that it's the time now? Because of COVID, you decided, or in this period, you gave a lot of time to introspect yourself, or you thought that this is the right time because you have taken a spiritual path. So you started evaluating ki, yes, how happiness plays a
So,
role.
I'll tell you. You know, I don't know if you've noticed this, and especially because you are into tarot cards and a couple of other things which do, somewhere bend closer to spirituality. Uh, Globally, if you see, a lot of things are breaking and building parallelly at this point in time. Be it organizations, leaderships, be it relationships. this COVID time is not just about COVID. It's about the time where each individual is getting a choice to realign himself to his actual goal and purpose in life. And it's your choice
Right.
to take it or not to take it. So it could be for some people through their relationships, for some people through their careers, for some people. So it's basically that you have to identify what is your purpose. How did I identify that? Yes, that was through spirituality. And because that has been such a transition, it eventually made me realize that what I was really holding on to so tightly all this while and hoping that it works was something that was not aligned to me at all. And
True.
that's when I released it. And when I released it, I realized there is no pain. It was more painful to hold it so tight and try to make it work when it was not. That it was just a futile attempt to actually hold it to that extent. Right. So that is where I realized that, this is a step I need to take. As far as last 3 years, why it took me so much time was, one was, as I said, it took me time. I started with crawling, then I walked, and then I ran. So I started my career again. I had taken a sabbatical. I had a
Okay.
baby very soon in my marriage. So, and I was put on bed rest for some time because of this pregnancy. So I had to quit working. So I was totally out of work. I mean, I stopped working for a very long period and then I started again. I didn't know whether my son would be able to stay at home without me, whether it would be a good idea, the guilt, the difficulty. As a mother, you tend to feel a lot of guilt, when you're leaving your son at home and you're going to work, especially a child
True.
who's young. And I had to deal with all of that till it became something that I'm now used to. And I realized that me giving myself the chance to go ahead and work also made my son very independent in a lot of ways. And today, when I take him out, I literally see that my other friends who are like homemakers or full time mothers, they tend to struggle with getting their son to be disciplined or their child to be disciplined only because, they're always there. My son has learned
Correct.
that, okay, mama may not be there or papa may not be there. And this time I have to manage myself. So
Mhm.
you know, it kind of helps a child also. That little bit of independence that a child needs to build within himself also comes in. So I think every relationship through COVID has gone through a very difficult and a good, and maybe the outcome could
Yes.
be good or not so pleasant. But in the larger sense and scheme of things, it has been good.
So it has been a good realization for the people who have really spent time, a lot of time together. You know,
I
सारी
no.
सारी अच्छी चीजें और सारी बुरी चीजें सब पॉलिश होके बाहर आई हैं.
I can't get up. This is going on. Maybe please let me go.
Hi, what is his name? What is his name? Let him call. Dave. Hi, Dave. Hi, sweetheart. How are you? Dave, which
Dave,
standard you are in, Dave? Dave, which class? You are in fourth standard, na, Dave? Just
You're not in fourth standard. What standard are you in?
Dave,
Senior KG.
you are in junior KG.
Senior.
Okay. Senior KG, so you have to join my class today. Okay, I have a phonics class at 6 o'clock. Would you like to join me, Dave?
Say you go for your phonics classes to such mass.
Is it? I'm just trying to distract him. Yes, tell me.
Say.
Yes. What would you like to tell me, Dave?
Saying that he goes to such mass for phonics.
Okay, very good, very good. So, Harsha, I think this has, this episode will really inspire the women who are struggling, suffering from, these kind of difficulties. Because there are my friends who were telling कि इस बार lawyers के पास ना जो cases आ रहे हैं ना, भर भर के request आ रही है. Counselors are handling lot of relationships which are hanky dory relationships. What he wants to say, don't worry, it's okay.
Get up for 1 moment. Can I come back?
Okay, yes, no issues. I'll talk to the audience in the meantime.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are talking to Harsha, and Harsha has really given us a positive side of the separation which she is going through. The entire world is reeling in this crucial time, and opportunity is like an opportunity to everyone, to do something better for them. And I am happy to have Harsha here, who has opened herself, and it is very difficult for an individual to talk about the relationship. It's like it is a pain, but she has taken it so positively, and I'm so glad to talk to her here, and she is there as a guest with us. I am very happy. I think you started reading tarot, which we were talking that point of time. Would like to know how you got inspired with that, because I got it because it was like, let me understand what it is, and wanted to do it for myself. And slowly, gradually, I started helping the people. And you will not believe, Harsha, my experiences of tarot has been so beautiful. My friends call me back and then they say कि तूने मुझे ये बोला था ना, ऐसा हो गया. तब तक तो बोलते हैं, यार क्या बोल रही है. And once it happens, they really understand कि yes, you have told me this. तो मेरे पास ऐसे रिकरिंग बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स और क्लाइंट्स हैं जो आके बताते हैं. So how did you got
So,
attracted toward this?
how did I get attracted? Because
Yes.
I think I have couple of my really good friends have been tarot readers, and many a time they've read for me also.
Okay.
And I used to get very intrigued, and I used to ask them, "ये इसका मतलब क्या है? And what does this mean? And why this? And why?"
Huh.
So one of them, who is a well-known tarot reader, she actually told me that, why don't you do it yourself, because you pretty much now know quite a bit. I was
Correct.
like, I don't know. And but then that kind of thought lingered on, and of course then I had a kid, our life was too busy, and this was a time at COVID when I had a lot of time to myself, and I thought, let me try this. And I
So
got
let me learn
myself,
something new, right?
yes, I
Let me
wanted to
learn
learn
something new.
and I also felt that this is one source with which I can actually help a lot of people. I never did it honestly till date. I've not done a reading for myself, but
Oh,
I've done it for people. Babe, I'm talking. Yes, you can go to Nanu. Sorry.
so cute.
So yeah, so I was so I started understanding these cards, and somewhere when you there is so much more meaning to each card, and it kind of really intrigued me and pulled me towards it. I started reading more. I also saw a lot of these online tarot card readers, and I went through their readings, like how they interpret cards, how they understand, how they connect the entire thing. And slowly and steadily, I don't think I ever learned it from someone, but I picked it up. Yes, I've done it for my friends, and a lot of them, they keep asking me to do it again and again for them. I keep telling them that, look, I'm still a novice, probably not as experienced as you guys. So I definitely don't charge. I want to do it to help people out. If I can add any value to anybody's life, I think I'll be really happy to do that, because that honestly, through my career, I've realized that whenever I can help people, so I used to be a banker, right? I used to advise on investments. That never gave me too much satisfaction, because it is a business after all, where you're pushing things which may not, eventually fructify. So there's not as much conviction. When I started guiding people through their career, I realized what value I can add in people's life, and how that made me feel really good. And which is where tarot also comes in, where I can add value in people's lives, help them, uh, guide them, and I'll be really happy to do so. I don't think it'll ever be about money for me.
Yeah, but Harsha, sorry to correct you here. Tarot is not about, it's good to help people, but when you help, you are using your psychic abilities. I'm sorry giving you suggestion of online, but you should have an exchange of energy. It can be in a form of, you say, serve the society, do
Yeah, so
something
the
here. So
exchange
keep
of
that exchange of
energy.
energy there.
Yeah, so the exchange of energy, you cannot monetize it in
You
terms of a
cannot.
cost, right? I can take a $1 from a
Yes,
person,
yes,
and I'm
yes,
still not
yes. Yes,
technically
yes, yeah.
charging, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
That
yes.
is
That's
my
what I'm
exchange
saying.
of energy. It's never going to be at a cost, or never going to be the reason to, I mean,
Yeah, because
tarot.
that you don't want to take as a profession, right? So if it is not a profession, then
I don't want
definitely
to, because I want this to be, anyone should be able to afford it, even if it's my
yes,
maid.
yes, yes,
It's
yes,
as simple as that.
definitely.
And I don't think she will be comfortable spending $1,000 or a $1,500 or a $4,000 on a reading. She will just
True.
not do it.
So
If
we
I
have
can do
to. This is for helping the people who are in need and who
absolutely.
cannot afford it, right? But there should
Everybody.
be an exchange, because this is why I'm saying you have understood. So let's
Yes,
not talk about it. So what additional learnings you have done apart from tarot in this time, which has helped you, or you are strategizing something for future?
I think I've learned quite a bit about crystals,
Okay.
which have, house.
Education.
So a classic example that I would recommend everybody, and I've actually, like, you'll see the stark difference. You get these Himalayan salt lamps.
Yes, yes, yes. I
If you
have
put
one.
it, it makes your room so fresh. It's
True.
amazing. You know, that fatigue that comes in when you're sitting all day in your room, it just vanishes. The room feels fresh, and how. So things like these, I have read up and then tried experimenting, and then I figured out things my own way. I think COVID has given me a lot of time to, figure out a lot of things which I wouldn't have ever otherwise. And I definitely see that this time we can use it very, very fruitfully beyond just career and family. You can really grow as a person, learn something, and it's not necessary. I know a lot of my friends who learned some fabulous things to cook as well. So it could be
True.
what you're interested in. You could
Correct,
paint.
correct.
I think it's a beautiful time to rediscover yourself.
Very true. Very true. I agree with you. So when we talk about relationship, our topic today, we have seen a very positive front from your positive discussion from your side, and this will inspire a lot of women who are struggling in their life. And I would like to thank you, Harsha, for being with us. I know people who are really struggling. ऐसे कुछ लोग हैं जो बोलते हैं मेरा बच्चा ना 9 years का हो जाएगा ना, तब I will fight for it.
स्ट्रगल
Because
सबकी लाइफ में होती है.
yeah,
चॉइस है कि आपको
so
स्ट्रगल से प्रेशर फील
yes,
करना है या you want to
exactly.
move on from there.
So
That's
it's
your
your
decision.
choice. It's your choice, and we have Poonam ma'am with us. She's a psychologist, and I would like her to be there now. And thank you, Harsha, for being there, and thank you, Dave. I love you. We'll meet soon because I am into kids education, Harsha. So you can any other help regarding education for the child? Do tell me. It
Sure.
can be any subject, any topic. Okay.
Sure.
And thank you. I hope you enjoyed talking to me, as I have taken a lot of time of yours. And you can be
Sure.
here. You can be here. Oh, so cute. You can be here live with us, listening to us. But I'll be taking Poonam ma'am. So, any last words you would like to say? Something, anything
I think
about our show, also about our show,
yes, I
which
want
we are
to.
trying.
So I think firstly, thank you so much for creating a platform where people can talk about things which are difficult and how life can be made easy around it. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to share my story, which could help many others. Happy to help at any point in time if you guys need any assistance from me. Always there. Right? You guys are doing a fab job. Just keep it up.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you, Harsha. God bless you. God bless you, dear. Bye, Dave. Love you. Thank you. So you can be there, and you can be on, so you can stop your video so that you can go here and there wherever you want to and still listen to us. So let me have Poonam ma'am online, and you can mute yourself and stop your video. I'll take Poonam ma'am. She has 18 years of experience in this field of relationship, we say. And it's a wonderful to have you here, ma'am. And I want you to give your experiences on, one is the discussion which we had with Harsha ji, and also the kind of relationship handlings like I have handled in my way, in my learnings, whatever I have of 18 plus years of experience which I carry. But in your case, you are having a stamp which is far more better, and which is like the learnings have been more technical in your end. So I have been more practical. You have been more technical. So I want to know your comments about this situation where we talk about relationship, how challenging according to you the situations is, and also what would you like to comment about, Harsha?
Okay. So, hi. Thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Perfect.
Okay. Thank you so much for inviting me. That's the first part, and it's
It's
really
our
nice.
pleasure.
It's really nice to listen to the story or the reality that Harsha is going through, right? And what I can really say about Harsha, which I can like to sum up in terms of, like the summary with whatever she said, is that, which I read a few days back, was that we don't mature through age, we mature in awareness,
Superb.
right? So
Very true.
what has really happened in Harsha's case is that she's been in a marriage for 6 years, and definitely a love marriage for another few more years that she might have had been, and then in the marriage itself, and then having a realization, and the awareness that she was going through was very important. So currently, the stand that she took was an individual's decision. See, when we say relationship is not something like to make or break. Relationship is a relationship, be it with your mother, with your parents, with your boyfriends, or with your husbands, or even in whichever relationship that you are, right? But it is the individual's choice whether the individual wants to stay or move on in a relationship. So in Harsha's case, it was more of a realization. As she said, in the last 3 years, she actually understood, or she had a greater realization. And for that, she actually started taking steps. So it could be that COVID was one of the reasons that, she took it up by, because she had ample amount of time to do a lot of introspection, a lot of me time, as we call it. And COVID is considered as one of the reasons why, it happened during that time. But yes, definitely it took a long way for her. 3 years is a pretty long time of setting up herself, maintaining certain things. So as I said, your
Poonamji I'm not able to hear. I think there is some network issue. We will wait for her. Technical team can update me about that because I cannot hear. मतलब कोई net पे तो नहीं है. So she's talking about a very logical thing about relationship. Inaudible. Yes, there is a network issue from her end. So let me continue with what Poonamji. Am I audible?
relationships, you as an
Okay.
individual mature through awareness.
Ma'am,
Your
1 minute.
realization, your
Ma'am,
awareness. You need to understand that it is very easy.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. You got disconnected in between, so malab, you were not audible. So we missed some part of it. Uh, so I request you to just thoda sa rewind and please talk because there was a moment where I think there was a network issue from your end. Can you hear me, ma'am?
I'm trying to join in.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, no worries. So,
Can
ma'am
you
is
hear me?
yes, ma'am. Very well, we can hear you.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. Can you hear us, ma'am?
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we can
Great.
hear.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So I don't know where we missed out, but I'd
Uh-huh.
like to talk about the few things that I was talking about in terms of maturity comes with a
Yes.
lot of awareness. That's one.
True.
Secondly, in Harsha's case, as we say that, whenever you are in a relationship, it is easy to get into any relationship that we are into, especially the ones which we make choices, like be
True.
it a friend or a boyfriend or these kind of relationships. But to maintain a relationship requires a lot of time, effort, and a lot of energy is involved at both the ends. So in her case, definitely it took a lot of time. She had a lot of courage to actually take up such a step in life, and now she has a new inning, I would say, altogether.
True. Very true. Very true.
To have it alone, standing alone with the son. But yes, definitely, as she rightly said, the father has always been there. So we need to understand this dynamic, the family dynamic, which is there, wherein it is just the husband and wife which were not able to cope up with each other in terms of the relationship, but the father son relationship is still good. This
True.
is the family dynamics that we talk about, and in the family system, and it's like a triangle wherein the father son gets along, but the mother and the son gets along, but it's the husband and wife don't get along.
True.
So that's the dynamic that each relationship has to be understood very clearly. And lastly, I'd like to sum up that being in a relationship or closing a relationship, I would say, or however you want to move on through a relationship, there are various factors involved. So it's not just the financial aspect like what she was talking about, but yes, there were various other factors that had actually moved, played a very important role. So in general, there are various factors like compatibility, how individuals are compatible with each other in terms of financial, in terms of responsibility that individuals are taking. Sometimes it so happens that the communication is a most important role. We often assume
Yes.
that, I have said and she might have understood it.
Exactly.
Or he said it and I have understood it. So ऐसा नहीं है. Communication is a key role to any relationship. And what happens is that कि हम हमेशा यही सोच के चलते हैं कि हमेशा husband ही बुरा होगा. ऐसा नहीं है.
Correct.
Wife भी उस end पर हो सकती है. So it's both are at the receiving end. अगर एक receiving है तो एक giving end पर है.
True.
So relationships are complicated. At the same time, they are very simple. It's up to us as an individual how we handle. So
Right.
I completely agree with what you've been telling. This COVID time has really helped individuals to get an insight into their own self, and I'm sure you are looking at so many cases. So definitely you will be having even more practical, I would say, inputs into it. Yes, we do have theoretical and practical, but yes, practical also plays a very important role. So that's
Because,
how
ma'am, it's like practical means like when I do see, there are people who come to me for tarot, there are people who come for numerology, the people come for graphology. So in that, there are a lot of mixtures. When we see with every angle, we try to understand. अच्छा तो problem इधर है. तो आधे टाइम तो प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है? इट्स जस्ट व्हाट यू सेड, कम्युनिकेशन. दे थिंक हमने बोल दिया और हो गया. फॉर एग्जांपल व्हाट्सएप कम्युनिकेशन, आप देखिए हाउ पीपल से सेंड व्हाट्सएप पे ना, दे कैन से आई लव यू एंड आई हेट यू एट द सेम टाइम, बट एग्जैक्टली वो बोलना क्या चाहते हैं वो समझ नहीं पाते. तो फीलिंग्स आर नॉट बीइंग ट्रांसफर्ड. कम्युनिकेशन में फीलिंग्स आना बहुत जरूरी है.
एब्सोल्युटली फीलिंग ट्रांसफर नहीं हो पाती है.
तो यहाँ पर जो सिचुएशंस होती हैं, लोग, मैं हस्बैंड वाइफ की ही नहीं, ऑल द रिलेशनशिप्स, इट इज नॉट ओनली हस्बैंड वाइफ. आई फील ब्रदर सिस्टर, जैसे आपने बोला कि रिलेशनशिप इज नॉट ओनली हस्बैंड वाइफ, it can be brother sister, sister, it can be friends. I have experienced personally कि COVID के time पे I am not moving out, I am asthmatic. Okay, so my friends are partying at times, they want to say that much openly, but at times I miss that thing. But what I do is, I go online when they party and I do a video call with them. I say I want to be there, but I can't be there. So they have been very supportive, they have been understanding. So health issues हो गए तो relationship कभी कभी कहाँ कैसा मोड़ ले लेती है वो समझ में नहीं आता. I had a friend जिसने बोला कोरोना टाइम में हमारा रिलेशनशिप कोरोना प्यार बन गया. मतलब कोरोना की वजह से एक प्यार आ गया, बिकॉज मैं अपने हस्बैंड को अब अपने नए नजरिए से देख रही हूँ. जिसको मैं 12 घंटा नहीं देखती थी उसको अब मैं रोज देख रही हूँ, 24 घंटा मेरे सामने. कुछ फ्रस्ट्रेट होते हैं, कुछ बहुत खुश होते हैं. लाइक आई एम हैप्पी फॉर रिलेशनशिप लाइक ग्रैंड मदर्स, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. आज मेरी खुद की इन लॉज एंड मेरे ब्रदर इन लॉ एंड सिस्टर इन लॉ स्टेज टुगेदर, जो कभी एक दूसरे को मतलब वही रात का टाइम सुबह निकले रात को आए. एक छोटी सी डॉटर, तो वो लोग आज सब साथ में हैं. सो वो रिलेशनशिप का जो बॉन्ड बन रहा है, कोविड में बोलूंगी, कोविड हैज टेकन मेनी थिंग्स but has given also many things.
Lot of things.
It is a bad time, but I feel जैसे कुछ लोगों को चाहिए था, कुछ लोग जो चाहते थे ना कि हाँ मुझे टाइम चाहिए, मुझे ब्रेक चाहिए, मुझे ट्रैवल नहीं करना है, मुझे ये नहीं करना, बहुत सारी चीजें होती थी कि मुझे, मतलब जिसको वो कर नहीं पाते थे, कोविड ने वो सब चीज थमा के रख दी. अब हमने तो कोविड के टाइम पे अपना सिस्टम बदल दिया. आई हैव अ एजुकेशन सेटअप व्हिच यू मस्ट नॉट बी अवेयर. आई हैव बीन इनटू ट्रेनिंग्स. तो हमारा एजुकेशन सेटअप ऐसा है कि मुझे बंद ही करना पड़ गया. आई हैड टू क्लोज इट. बट मेरे पेरेंट्स इतने अच्छे हैं, दे आर सेइंग मैम आप ऑनलाइन सिखाओ, जो चाहिए जब चाहिए वी विल बी अवेलेबल. सो वो एक रिलेशनशिप, मेरी बहुत बॉन्ड जो है वो इतना स्ट्रांग है कि पेरेंट्स आर स्टिल कनेक्टेड. आप मुझे बताइए मैम, जैसे हर्षा जी का केस है, मतलब अभी ऑफ लेटली कोई ऐसा केस आपने हैंडल किया है? हैव यू हैंडल्ड इट?
There has been one case which has come to me because I do take up very few cases.
Okay.
So there was this one case wherein the husband wife they basically live in a joint family, and it
Okay.
so happened that the husband has been traveling most of the time.
Okay.
So as during the COVID time, it's very likely,
Full
and the
stop.
wife. So travel has been a full stop, and work from home has been completely on, and he's not very good at the household work. So you
Uh-huh.
can imagine how the wife would get little irritated and frustrated with the fact that I have joint family, and at the same time I have so many people in the house. So it's like one woman and approximately 7 to 8 members in the
Oh.
with
Oh.
in-laws, kids, and one more member.
Okay.
So that was the tough time for this lady, and she would get upset, she would get irritated, but then slowly and gradually, the best part was that they always had communication among themselves, even if the husband was actually moving out most of the time. But it was not a major case, but yes, it
Mm.
was. The issues were more with the in-laws, and this
Okay.
time the in-laws were staying for almost 4 months. So you can
Oh.
imagine. So that was, but then both of them handled very well. The
Okay.
communication played a very important role, and
Okay.
instead of drifting apart, they actually came back together. The bond was
Wow.
stronger between the couples, and they actually divided the responsibilities. And for the first 2 months they actually had a really tough time, but yes, dividing
Eventually,
as I
it
said,
has grown.
dividing responsibility, a lot of communication that was happening between them.
Mhm.
Luckily, the kids were grown. There are 3 kids, but 2 are grown up and one is a younger one. But yes,
Okay.
definitely people helping out, and things worked out very well between both of them.
Mm.
So that's
Okay.
that's really, so the core of their relationship which actually came up was more of the responsibility which both of them were shedding off in the initial before the COVID. So they started realizing that husband started realizing कि घर में बहुत काम होता है, जो मैं कहता था कि काम नहीं होता है,
बहुत है।
बहुत काम होता है, and he
तुम घर बैठ
started,
के हाउस वाइफ हो, करोगी क्या,
क्या
करती
करती
क्या
हो?
हो?
So that is one, the realization that he had, and
Mhm.
then a lot of communication has increased between both of them. So
Okay.
the relationship has become more stronger, and that was one thing that came up. And the other case was almost on the edge of divorce.
Okay.
So, and it was just a one-sided thing which was happening, and the
Who was it? Male or female? Who
female
wanted to? Female wanted to
female
part
and the
ways.
male did not wanted to part away,
Okay.
because he was very much with the wife, and but
Okay.
she didn't want it, and she had her own reasons of
Uh,
just, and without any realization, without any thought involved into it, she made impulsive decision.
okay.
So we are still working on that relationship and
Okay.
the family dynamics, because we would look forward to involve even the other members of the family.
True.
So
Very true.
luckily they are supportive, so we want to do that. But she's just been impulsive, and the drawback is that she's really short tempered.
Ah, okay.
So
Okay.
the husband is like still struggling with it. He's like, "Ki Poonam, it's too much." But I said, "Don't worry, let the time go by." So luckily his work
True.
has started. So he's in the office, but
Mm.
she's still at home and looking forward for divorce. But he's like, "No way."
Okay. No ways, I won't leave you. I love you. Ma'am,
So
I have, sorry. Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
yes, so
Tell me.
that's how there are two different kind of cases that are running
Mhm.
simultaneously. And as I said, I don't take too much cases.
Mhm.
So that's
Why,
how.
ma'am? Why so?
Because I love to work with adolescent and children, so I work more
Oh,
with
so
that.
cute. So
So
sweet.
then
Okay.
adult cases, these
Okay.
kind of marital cases, I take very few, and it's again very tedious as a psychologist
True.
also,
True.
because it
True.
takes a lot of our time, and and we have to be involved with the case very
Correct.
much.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
That's very
Ma'am,
important.
what would you like to comment on infidelity or physical abuse? And that is one of the reasons when a woman or a man would like to, part ways with these kind of relationships when they come to know okay, this is happening. And what do you like
See,
to say on that?
when you talk about in relationship, the lot of the time now, what is happening is extramarital relationships, like what you
Exactly.
said, right?
Yes.
And it is not something that just pops up. It's just that it comes to your knowledge at a point where things have really moved up. But
Mm.
as I said, it's a long term thing. Nobody gets into a relationship just like that. an
Exactly.
extramarital relationship. So it's just that needs to be taken care from the very beginning to couples to
Ma'am, but
relate.
how?
Now,
How would you?
like as I said initially, the starting of one is the basic thing is communication. One is very much the communication. We don't have to assume that you have said and the other one has understood. That's one. Secondly, it takes a lot of time, as I said, the trust factor to build in the relationship. And if you say that you suddenly you get to know something about it, yes, you need to talk it out. Sometimes what happens, we become very judgmental about the individual and we give decisions. So if you know that any of your spouse, any one of them has had any extramarital affair or any relationship, physical, sexual, or any kind of, or even the platonic relationship, people at times don't understand. So in that case, it's very important that you need to sit down, confront, like how Harsha said, I actually confronted. Acceptance was there. Acceptance takes a lot of time. But yes,
True.
confrontation is equally important. Communication does not mean that, oh, I've heard something and this is what it is, I need to end this. No, confrontation is very important. And definitely you need to have patience, you need to understand what went wrong. Everybody needs a second chance. Yes, I'm not saying that every time you have to give a
मैम
second
सेकंड
chance.
थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ वाले केसेस हो तो
बिल्कुल नहीं, फिर तो सेकंड के बाद तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं देना चाहिए.
आई फील
ऐसा
मतलब जो सिचुएशंस चल रही है जो मैंने देखा है आई हैव अभी तो ये तो
हाँ.
रिलेशनशिप मैरिड रिलेशनशिप छोड़िए देयर आर आजकल के जो यंग बच्चे हैं उनका 1 2 3 4
See,
चलता
for
ही
them,
रहता है
there is no value. See, for them, relationship don't value. They keep hop and jump. It's like, doctor shopping जैसे हम करते हैं, वैसे वो relationship shopping होती है उनकी. Now, when
बेस्ट
it
चेन
comes,
चूज करने के लिए
absolutely. So when it comes to couples, we need to understand that कि अगर एक इंसान marriage में आया है, right? They don't come with this mindset that, hello, after 5 years, I'll get divorced. That's not what,
एग्जैक्टली
that's not the criteria. Nobody wants to get into a divorce dirty phase. But it's just that the situation comes in and it depends on the individual to individual case. Now, जैसे हर्षा का केस था, हम उसको रेप्लिकेट करके नहीं कह सकते कि नहीं हर्षा ने जो किया वो बहुत सभी को करना चाहिए. नहीं, that was right
True,
for
very true.
her. That was right for
Very
her
true.
at that point of time.
Correct.
Because we as speakers just know what's happening by what she's telling us. But 6
Exactly.
years down the line, what has she gone through? Nobody knows.
Exactly.
So it
Exactly.
differs from case to case. As I said, I'm not saying कि one chance देने का मतलब होता है कि forgive कर दो. But yes, confrontation, discussion, open conversation is equally important. But yes, डरना नहीं है. As like how she took the right step of the courage that you need. You need to build that courage and that confidence that you need to have. But with all this, you definitely need a support system.
Exactly. So I'm just trying to tell my audience that
बिना
if you
support
need
system के
yes,
चीजें नहीं होती हैं.
correct.
It's
correct.
very lightly she said societal stigma is important. Society pressure भी आता है हमारे ऊपर. पर हर्षा के पास उसके father का support है. So that is a
Yes, true.
support system.
Correct. Correct. I agree
Right?
with you.
See, she had the courage to talk it out after 3 years. I know a best friend of mine. She's not even spoken about it for the last 6 years. It's not that she's not happy. She's very well to do, well established, and she's happily doing. Her daughter finished her 10th with, really, really good percentage. But it's not about the talking about it, but it's also about how you're handling yourself.
Exactly.
So
अपने
that's
कुकून में चले जाते हैं कुछ लोग अपने कुकून में.
exactly, but
And
उससे भी बाहर निकलना जरूरी है.
I
रहिए
have
but
seen this.
निकलिए.
I have independent moms. Like my friend is a designer. She's doing such good job. She's internationally famous with 2 kids. She's doing very good. There are people who have remarried and they are doing very good life. They have मतलब it's like एक burden नहीं हो गया. आपने एक marriage कर लिया and if you are not happy with it, your choice is there with you. Please, but choose at right time so that वो आपका जो emotional pressure है, society का pressure को तो I think should be the last because they will never come and feed you. They will not come and put that. वो बोलते हैं ना दवाई नहीं लगाएंगे आपके मरहम पे, वो नमक छिड़केंगे, है ना? So ma'am, it was nice talking to you. I am so happy. I was really मतलब बोलते हैं ना आपने जब बोला I could relate to it. I could really relate to it because this only happens अगर communication clear रहती तो बहुत सारे रिलेशनशिप अच्छे हो जाते हैं। कभी कभी ना मन मन में रख के चीजें ऐसी होती है एंड देन हेल्थ इश्यूज आ जाते हैं इफ यू डोंट कम्युनिकेट वेल, इट कीप्स इन आवर माइंड। सबकॉन्शियस माइंड जो सबसे ज्यादा डैमेज करता है उस पे हम वर्क ही नहीं करते हैं। कॉन्शियस माइंड तो बोल दिया खत्म, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है जो वर्क करता है सारा काम, जो बार बार अगर आप सप्रेस भी करो तो गलत है, इट्स बेटर एक्सेप्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है सिचुएशंस को। सो आई होप जैसे हर्षा हैज एक्सेप्टेड, अदर पीपल, अदर फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन, अदर ऑडियंस who are watching us can get inspired by Harsha, पूनम जी, और मेरी कुछ बातें कहकर और सुनने में आप लोगों को अच्छी लग रही हो तो आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर पूनम जी, नेक्स्ट जो हमारा संडे का हमने एक न्यू एपिसोड वी आर स्टार्टिंग इज अगेंस्ट ऑल ऑड्स, and that will be a beautiful topic where we will be talking to people who have challenges in their life and still grown so well. So we are inviting our guest on Sunday. It's Avinash Thawani who will be there with us, and he will be taking us to his journey, the ups and downs, the challenges, being a special challenged person who was, uh, dwarf he is, and how he has taken his life into an excellent phase where people should get inspired ki in spite of all the odds they are succeeding in life. So that is there on our Sunday topic. So ma'am, please be there with us. And also this next Friday, we will be having a topic for all COVID warriors. So we'll be having doctors, policemen, we'll be having a politician if I can invite, and we are inviting people who would like to talk if they have any queries. Poonam ji is also there if you have any queries. Harsha is there. अगर आपको उनके और experiences जाने हैं तो you can comment and you can ask us. I'm also available, my Facebook ID or Instagram, anywhere you can go and talk to us. You can send messages, and I would invite you all for our next show also, which is just on Sunday. So, ma'am, please be there with us. And then next Friday. So, it's like an ongoing thing. Let's see how much we can change life, how these stories can inspire people, Indian individual audience who will really, really feel that with us, we can, we can make this difference while talking to us. There is a lot of challenges which one is facing, but we are there to listen and we are there to help.
Thank you so much.
सलाम, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, केम छो, मजामा छो, बाय बाय, एंड आई आप कहिएगा और हम सुनेंगे नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। संडे को मिलते हैं 6 o'clock, एंड आई एम श्योर 6 o'clock संडे सबके पास टाइम होगा, एंड दे कैन हैव tea, green tea with me, or you can have your coffee, sip your coffee and enjoy our next episode against all odds. Ma'am, anything would you like to sum up with? How did you find the kind of show which we are, presenting for the audience? We have just started. It's the third episode. What would you like to comment on it, please, ma'am?
I would just like to say that it's really great because you're just talking about against all odds, and that is what is required during this COVID time when people are actually inside the house. So that's there. You're doing a great job, and thank you so much, you and Ramakant, for inviting me on this podium. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. God bless you.
God bless
Okay,
you, ma'am.
guys, sign off with the salute to Harsha, Poonam ji, and all the women who are struggling and but still wants to come out. We are there to help you. Thank you. Thank you, the team who's there with me. Bye bye. Are we done, guys? So hope you guys got inspired by what we have been talking, and I would like my technical team to clear that we are done with the session, or we still on, so I can talk to my people more. So my invitation is on for 6 p.m. Kindly be there. Dinesh, Yeshu, are we done?
लेना है तो दूसरे कॉल
Thank you, guys.